So I was recording earlier in 4K and then everything just stopped. So yeah, I'm doing 4K videos now with my RX100, and I don't know if I messed up something or I missed something, but yeah, I ended up talking a lot of shit and then it didn't record. Anyway, for now, I'll be testing out my audio. Like I'm using this Sony thingy. Oops, I disconnected it. Let me put it back in. Okay, I'm using this Sony audio recorder. At the same time, I'm using this Olympus VP10. It's like a pen light, like a pen recorder. It's so small. And yeah, I'm gonna compare the sound. So first of all, I'm gonna try to use this Sony RX100 internal audio, which is unedited. And then I'm gonna do the edited version of that. And then I'm gonna try out the VP10 and the lab mic. Yeah. So this is it. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna repeat this video 3 times. So yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So yeah, the quick brown fox jump over the 10 lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the lazy dogs were just being lazy. That's it. So this is it. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna repeat this video 3 times. So yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So yeah, the quick brown fox jump over the 10 lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the lazy dogs were just being lazy. That's it. So this is it. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna repeat this video 3 times. So yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So yeah, the quick brown fox jump over the 10 lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the lazy dogs were just being lazy. That's it. So this is it. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna repeat this video 3 times. So yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So yeah, the quick brown fox jump over the 10 lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the lazy dogs were just being lazy. That's it. Okay, let's try it out with some wind. So I'm turn on the fan. That way you can hear some sound, and it's taking some time. So here it is. Let's test it out. Okay, here it goes. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the fan just vibrated and it's like it's gonna fly to my head. Let's try it again. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the fan just vibrated and it's like it's gonna fly to my head. Let's try it again. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the fan just vibrated and it's like it's gonna fly to my head. Let's try it again. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the fan just vibrated and it's like it's gonna fly to my head. Let's try it again. I think that's good enough. So that's with the wind. Let's go out. Okay, this is the outdoor audio. Let me try it again. The quick brown fox jumps over 10 lazy dogs. Quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the lazy dogs were just sleeping there. Such lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over 10 lazy dogs. Quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the lazy dogs were just sleeping there. Such lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over 10 lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the lazy dogs were just sleeping there. Such lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over 10 lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs while the lazy dogs were just sleeping there. Such lazy dogs. Anyway, need to go back inside. And yeah. So yeah, that's the test for the audio, and I'll post it. I'll see how it goes. Again, I'm recording in 4K and let's see how it goes, if my computer can handle it, if the file's too big. But anyway, yeah, that's it for today. Testing. Okay, as I was editing the footage and my content for today, I just found out I made a major boo-boo. Yes, I made a major boo-boo, or lots of them. First of all, I was recording in aperture priority, and until now I can see some banding from the lights behind me. I don't know what's causing that. Fuck, let's turn off the light back. Let's just turn off the light here. That'll be good. Okay, do I see some banding still? No more banding. It's that light. That's crappy. Okay, so yeah, first of all, I made a boo-boo because I didn't see the banding and the light at the back, so I just filmed in its crappy video. The next boo-boo I have was, I was recording on the Sony recorder with the Rode Lav mic. And the thing is, I set the audio earlier to high, and I should have set it to low, because the thing is, with high setting, it clips and it's crappy audio. So you would want to record your audio low, that way you can raise it up. It's not going to clip to the top side and you're going to lose some details, just like in the photos when you do the histogram and everything else. And so this thing's not going to give us good audio. But to give it a chance, I set it to low and I'm recording it now. So I'll be playing it using this one. My thoughts are, if I'm going to be using the RX100 audio, it's quicker, it's easier for me to use. I can just go ahead and play and just edit it, and yeah, it's good. Like, it's natural. The thing is, it's not the best audio, because you can see if it's a bit windy, it's going to get all the sound and all the muffle. I placed down air muffs there, but it's not that good. Another thing is that if I'm using the VP10, it's clear, it's good, but it's not the same as the lav mic and the Sony. The problem with the Sony is, I set it wrong, so that's my fault. The only thing I don't like about the Sony is that I have to wire myself, like put on a microphone and start recording. The good thing about the Olympus is that, where is it? It's here. So it's just like a pen. You just put it in your pocket, start recording, off you go, and you can get it. It's a USB tip, so you can just get the audio right away. As for the Sony, we have a USB tip for it, but yeah, unlike this one, it's quick. Plug and play, put it in your pocket, you're good. I like using the internal audio of the Sony, but if it's gonna be outside, like there are a lot of people, you're not gonna hear my voice. You're gonna hear the audio from the cars, from the people around me. So you're not gonna get clear audio from me directly. I'm gonna need to test it some more, but yeah, most likely I'll be using the Sony internal microphone because I'm too lazy. But I want to use this. I like this, but it's too tedious. I'll use this if there's a lot of people, if it's a noisy environment. I hope I can get good audio. And I need to set this audio to low. I haven't tried that one earlier yet. But yeah. So yeah, that's what I found out today. And I hope in one way or the other it's going to help you guys to choose your audio for the RX100. Because the RX100 does not have phone mic jacks. And yeah, I want to test this stereo mic on, or my Rode Mic Pro, or the Video Micro, which I forgot where it plays it. I just want to put a microphone on it, but for now I'm going to use the internal audio from the Sony. And yeah, I think 4K is good, but yeah, it heats up quick. So those are the things I found out today. And yeah, such a new YouTube noob of me to do this now, but yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow for anything that comes up in my head. I didn't film a lot yesterday because yesterday was a Monday and it's so stressful. I fell asleep. I tried to edit and you can see my eye bags. Still have them. Okay. So, ciao. See you then. Bye.